Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to restore wooden furniture. Whether you found a great piece at a thrift store or want to breathe new life into a family heirloom, these tips will help you make your wooden furniture look brand new. Let's get started. 1. Gather your materials. Here's what you'll need: sandpaper in various grits, wood cleaner, paintbrushes, wood stain or paint, varnish or polyurethane, and clean clothes. Step 2. Clean the furniture. Use a wood cleaner to remove any dirt, grime, and old wax. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. This will give you a clean surface to work on and help you see any damage that needs repairing. Step 3. Sand the surface. Next, it's time to sand the surface. Start with a medium grit sandpaper to remove any old finish, scratches, or dents. Always sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid creating scratches. After the initial sanding, switch to a finer grit to smooth the surface. Step 4. Repair any damage. If you notice any cracks or holes, now is the time to repair them. Use wood filler to fill in any small dents or holes. Apply it with a putty knife and let it dry completely before sanding it smooth with a fine grit sandpaper. Step 5. Apply wood stain or paint. Once the surface is smooth and clean, you can apply wood stain or paint. If you're using wood stain, apply it with a brush or cloth, following the direction of the wood grain. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping off any excess with a clean cloth. For paint, apply a thin, even coat and let it dry completely before applying a second coat if needed. Step 6. Apply varnish or polyurethane. To protect your newly restored piece, apply a coat of varnish or polyurethane. This will seal the wood and give it a beautiful finish. Apply it with a brush in thin, even strokes and let it dry completely. Step 7. Reassemble and enjoy. Once everything is dry, reassemble any parts you took apart and place your restored piece in its new home. Step back and admire your work. Your wooden furniture now looks as good as new. And there you have it, a beautifully restored piece of wooden furniture. With a little time and effort, you can bring new life to old pieces and create something truly special. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your furniture restoration tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and home improvement projects.